Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we'll talk about the top 10 universities in the world in 2020. The Times Higher Education World University Rankings 2020 includes almost 1400 universities across 92 countries, standing as the largest and most diverse university rankings ever to date. The table is based on 13 carefully calibrated performance indicators that measures an institution's performance across teaching, research, knowledge transfer, and international outlook. So let's see what's in our top 10 list. Number 10. Imperial College London, a science-based institution in the center of the capital, is regarded as one of the UK's leading institutions. The college has around 15,000 students and 8,000 staff, with a focus on four main areas: science, engineering, medicine, and business. The institution boasts 14 Nobel Prize winners, including Sir Alexander Fleming, the discoverer of penicillin. Famous alumni include science fiction author H.G. Wells, Queen guitarist Brian May, former Prime Minister of India Rajiv Gandhi, former UK Chief Medical Officer Sir Liam Donaldson, and former Chief Executive of Singapore Airlines Chew Chong Seng. Number 9. The University of Chicago is an urban research university that has driven new ways of thinking since 1890. Their commitment to free and open inquiry draws inspired scholars to their global campuses, where ideas are born that challenges and change the world. Graduate students across 5 division and 6 professional schools test their ideas with other UChicago scholars and become the next generation of leaders in academia, industry, non-profit, and government. The university manages Argonne National Laboratory and Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory, has direct oversight of the Marine Biological Laboratory, and is a founding partner of the Giant Magellan Telescope organization. These relationships connect UChicago faculty and students to world-leading researchers and facilities. Number 8. Yale University is a private Ivy League research university, which is the third oldest higher education institution in the US. Yale traces its history back to 1701, when it was founded as the Collegiate School in Saybrook, Connecticut, which moved to New Haven 15 years later. In 1718, it was renamed Yale College in honor of Welsh benefactor Elihu Yale, and it was the first university in the US to award a PhD in 1861. Yale's central campus covers 260 acres of New Haven and includes buildings dating back to the mid-18th century. The university is made up of 14 schools, and students follow a liberal art curriculum covering humanities and arts, sciences, and social sciences before choosing a department major. Students also receive instruction in writing skills, quantitative reasoning, and foreign languages. Yale has an endowment that exceeds 25 billion, making it the second highest educational institution in the world, and a library that holds more than 15 million volumes, making it the third largest in the US. Number 7. Harvard University. Dating back to 1636, Harvard University is the oldest university in the US and is regarded as one of the most prestigious in the world. It was named after its first benefactor, John Harvard, who left his library and half his estate to the institution when he died in 1638. The private Ivy League institution has connections to more than 45 Nobel laureates, over 30 heads of state, and 48 Pulitzer Prize winners. It has more than 323,000 living alumni, including over 271,000 in the US and nearly 52,000 in 201 other countries. 13 US presidents have honorary degrees from the institution. The most recent of these was awarded to John F. Kennedy in 1956. Faculty members who have been awarded a Nobel Prize in recent years include chemist Martin Karplus and economist Alvin Roth. It is also home to the largest academic library in the world, and with 20.4 million volumes, 180,000 serial titles, and estimated 400 million manuscript items. There are more than 400 student organizations on campus, and Harvard's medical school is connected to 10 hospitals. Number 6. Princeton University. Princeton is one of the oldest universities in the US and is regarded as one of the world's most illustrious higher education institutions. Founded in 1746 as the College of New Jersey, it was officially renamed Princeton University in 1896 in honor of the area where it is based, opening its famous graduate school in 1900. Acclaimed for its commitment to teaching, the Ivy League institution offers residential accommodation to all of its undergraduates across all 4 years of study, with 98% of undergraduates living on campus. Its student body is relatively small, with fewer than 10,000 in total. The international students make up 12% of undergraduates. Princeton has also educated 2 US presidents, James Madison and Woodrow Wilson, who was also the university's president prior to entering the White House. Princeton is also one of the world's foremost research universities with connections to more than 40 Nobel laureates, 17 winners of the National Medal of Science, and 5 recipients of the National Humanities Medal. Number 5. Massachusetts University of Technology. The Massachusetts University of Technology (MIT) is an independent, co-educational private research university based in the city of Cambridge, Massachusetts. Established in 1861, MIT aims to further knowledge and prepare students in science, technology, and other fields of study that will best benefit the nation and the world today. Its motto is Mens et Manus, which translates as mind and hand. The university lays claims to 85 Nobel laureates, 58 National Medal of Science winners, 29 National Medal of Technology and Innovation winners, and 45 MacArthur Fellows. Among its impressive alumni is Kofi Annan, the former Secretary General of the United Nations. Scientific discoveries and technologies advances accredited to MIT include the first chemical synthesis of penicillin, the development of radar, the discovery of quarks, and the invention of magnetic core memory, which enabled the development of digital computers. The MIT is currently organized into 5 different schools: architecture and planning, engineering, humanities, arts and social sciences, management and science. It is home to around 1,000 faculty members and over 11,000 undergraduate and graduate students. MIT's current areas of research include digital learning, sustainable energy, big data, human health, and much more. Number 4. Stanford University. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley, Stanford University was founded in 1885 by Jane and Leland Stanford to promote the public welfare by exercising an influence in behalf of humanity and civilization. Since opening in 1891, Stanford's faculty and students have worked to improve the health and well-being of people around the world through the discovery and application of knowledge. Breakthroughs at Stanford include the first successful heart-lung transplant, the debut of the computer mouse, and the development of digital music. Situated on 8,180 acres, Stanford is one of the largest campuses in the United States with 18 interdisciplinary research institutes and 7 schools on a single campus: Graduate School of Business, School of Arts, Energy and Environmental Sciences, Graduate School of Education, School of Engineering, School of Humanities and Sciences, Law School, and School of Medicine. Stanford counts 19 Nobel laureates within its community today and numerous famous alumni associated with the university from the worlds of art, business, politics, humanities, media, sports, and technology. The 31st President of the US, Herbert Hoover, was part of the first class at Stanford and received a degree in geology in 1895. The alumni include 17 astronauts, 18 Turing Award recipients, and 2 Fields medalists. Number 3. University of Cambridge. Founded in 1209, the University of Cambridge is a collegiate public research institution. Its 800-year history makes it the 4th oldest surviving university in the world and the 2nd oldest university in the English-speaking world. Cambridge serves more than 18,000 students from all cultures and corners of the world. Nearly 4,000 of its students are international and hail from over 120 different countries. In addition, the university's international summer schools offer 150 courses to students from more than 50 countries. The university is split into 31 autonomous colleges where students receive small group teaching sessions known as college supervisions. 6 schools are spread across the university's colleges, housing roughly 150 faculties and other institutions. The 6 schools are Arts and Humanities, Biological Sciences, Clinical Medicine, Humanities and Social Sciences, Physical Sciences and Technology. The university is home to over 100 libraries, which between them hold more than 15 million books in total. In the main Cambridge University Library alone, which is a legal depository, there are 8 million holdings. The university also owns 9 arts, scientific and cultural museums that are open to the public throughout the year, as well as a botanical garden. Number 2. California Institute of Technology. The California Institute of Technology, Caltech, is a world-renowned science and engineering research and education institution, where extraordinary faculty and students seek answers to complex questions, discover new knowledge, lead innovation, and transform the future. Caltech has 6 academic divisions with a strong emphasis in science and technology, teaching and research. The university has a competitive admissions process ensuring that only a small number of the most gifted students are admitted. Caltech has a high research output and alongside many high-quality facilities, both on campus and globally. This includes the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, the Caltech Seismological Laboratory, and the International Observatory Network. The alumni and faculty of Caltech have been awarded 35 Nobel Prizes, 1 Fields Medal, 6 Turing Award, and 71 United States National Medal of Science or Technology. 4 chief scientists of the US Air Force have also attended the institution. The campus is located in Pasadena, California, approximately 11 km away from downtown Los Angeles. The school's official mascot is a beaver, paying tribute to a nature's engineer. Here comes the number 1 position in our list. University of Oxford. The University of Oxford is the oldest university in the English-speaking world and the world's 2nd oldest surviving university. While its exact founding date is unknown, there is evidence that teaching took place as far back as 1096. Located in and around Oxford medieval city center, the university comprises 44 colleges and halls, and over 100 libraries, making it the largest library system in the UK. Students number around 22,000 in total, just over half of whom are undergraduates while over 40% are international, representing 140 countries between them. Oxford has an alumni network of over 250,000 individuals, including more than 120 Olympic medalists, 26 Nobel Prize winners, 7 poets laureates, and over 30 modern world leaders like Bill Clinton, Aung San Suu Kyi, Indira Gandhi, and 26 UK Prime Ministers among them. The university is associated with 11 winners of the Nobel Prize in Chemistry, 5 in Physics, and 16 in Medicine. Notable Oxford thinkers and scientists include Tim Berners-Lee, Stephen Hawking, and Richard Dawkins. The actors Hugh Grant and Rosamund Pike also went to Oxford, as did the writers Oscar Wilde, Graham Greene, Vikram Seth, and Philip Pullman. Some honorable mentions. University of Pennsylvania. Given its status as one of the 9 original colonial colleges, institutions established before US becomes a sovereign nation after the American Revolution, and a founding member of the Association of American Universities, it is no surprise the University of Pennsylvania claims to be the first fully fledged multi-faculty university in the USA. Johns Hopkins University. Founded in 1876, Johns Hopkins University (JHU) is a private research university based in Baltimore, Maryland. It takes its name from its first benefactor, the American abolitionist, philanthropist, and entrepreneur John Hopkins. The university's motto is Knowledge for the World. University of California, Berkeley. The University of California, Berkeley, a public research university, is regarded as one of the most prestigious state universities in the US. Part of the University of California system, it was founded in 1868. ETH Zurich. Established in 1855 as a federal polytechnic school, a century and a half later ETH Zurich is now considered among some of the world's most prestigious universities in science and technology. The institute has produced over 20 Nobel Prize laureates, including the father of modern physics and the inventor of the general theory of relativity, Albert Einstein. UCL. UCL was founded in 1826 to bring higher education to those who were typically excluded from it. In 1876, it became the first university in England to admit women on equal terms as men. Located in the heart of London, UCL is a constituent college of the University of London and a member of the Russell Group, with approximately 850 professors and over 6,000 academic and research staff. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.